Natasha, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before, where makeup is a passion and beauty is contagious, where everything luxe and juicy is right here with me. Today I'm doing my shoe haul, luxury shoe haul, and what I have here, starting off with, is with Love Moschino, I think is how it's pronounced. And these are the slides. These ran me $172 with tax, and I got it all from Farfetch, and it just came in today, as a matter of fact, because I originally picked up a size 7, and I wear 6.5 in tennis shoes, and the 7.5 I usually buy my regular shoes in the size 7.5. So I always go up a half size, so if my feet swell, I can still get into the shoes. Well, I ordered a size 7, and this part right here, the top of my foot could not get past it, so it only came to about right about here, and then the other one, it didn't go in at all. So I had to send it back to, because it came all the way from Italy. So I had to send it all the way back to Italy, and then get my refund, and then find another person on there that was also selling the same type of shoes and order from them, and it came from Italy and Germany, something like that. And it came in today. And this is, now, I like my slippers to be big on me. So I always order them bigger anyways. So that way I have much room to like swim in. I'm not actually getting in the pool with them. I'm just wearing them loose on me. So while I was on Farfetch, I also picked up these Gucci slides. Let's see here. As you can see. Alright. And these were 350 with tax and everything, came out to 400 and something dollars from Farfetch. And it came with the little bags. Let's see here. Oh, there's nothing on the bag. Oh, here, yeah, it is. It says Gucci. And there's the other one. Let's get her out also. And here she is. And these here I can fit. I bought these a size. I upsized one because they were kind of small. So I got this in the size 8. And these fit me very well. Kind of big, but I like it like that. Because when you luxuriating with your slides, you want them to be comfortable. And here's the box. It says Gucci. So then I turn around, and I also got this here from Farfetch. And this is off-white. And this is the shoes. Curated by Virgil. Now this here, I almost started to cut it off, and then something said, girl, don't even try that. It's part of the decoration. You're going to devalue those shoes real quick and fast. So I'm glad I listened to my inner self, because I went online and looked, and sure enough, it's part of the design. But isn't these cute? Now these here are a size 7. I wear 6.5 in tennis shoes, but I bought these a size 7, like I said, so if my feet swell up, I can still fit them. Because, we women's, when we go to that time of the month and stuff, our feet tend to swell up on us. So isn't this just so cute? I fell in love with these. And these here I got for, with tax and everything, came out to $369. So I thought, I just love these. And I didn't have a pair, so why not? And this is the bag that it comes with. Off-white, Virgil. And this is the second pair. So, and that one doesn't come with that little tag on it. So then I just moseyed on down, and I went to the site itself, Moschino, and I ordered these here platform shoes. Now these did not come with a dust bag, but these here ran me $300, $305 with tax and everything. And these are so cute. And I haven't been able to really wear heels since I had my back surgery, because my back was just hurting me so bad. But I'm looking forward to trying out these platforms now that my back has been basically corrected. Hopefully I could be able to wear them, because when I tried them on, they fit just perfect. I think they're just a little bit big because I got these also in a size, let me see here. So dark. I got these in a size 8. So they're a little bit big, but they fit and it's comfortable. So I look forward to trying them. So depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. And God bless.